I'm Margie Carter. I'm from New Hanover County, but I had issues under my house. I had two foundations, had cracks in them. They were the same side of the house, but a huge part of a tree had come down one way and part the other way, and the rest of them that the tornado took down were laid like somebody had laid them out. Okay, the salesman, Mr. Maurice, he came, when I called Southeast, Mr. Maurice, he came out. He was very nice. He came in and he had a video with him that he showed me, explained everything. He was a very good representative. He was clean cut, well-mannered. He did a good job as far as I'm concerned. His sales manner was very good, and he explained everything. He printed me out a copy, and if I needed something, I called Mr. Maurice, the salesman, and he'd come out and he said, look, if you're not there, I'll put it in the door or something. He just really, it was somebody you would like or feel like you had known for over years. And so I would have to say, he's a good salesman. He showed the video like the work went. And I would recommend you talking to him. He works very hard. I could tell that from the information he gave me. And he said, if you got any questions, call me. And I did, because I had some questions, something I thought of later. And he answered my questions, or either he went to Mr. Reeves and got the answer for me. And Mr. Reeves always has time to talk to you. And so does Maurice. I would tell them that their price is well in line or below what the local foundation would charge. I had called one, this was about a year ago, and the man came out and just walked around the house and gave me a price. He did not go under the crawl space and look. Now Maurice, the salesman for Southeast, put on a pair of coveralls and went and looked under the house. And then he took his coveralls off and came in with his video, and we went over every step of the way. So that's the reason not just kindness, but it's the price, the kindness, attitude, and communication that makes them such a great company. But they're very good. They did not make a mess. They cleaned up what mess that was under the house, because my foundation had cracked, and then the wind, of course, had blown and tore the insulation out. They cleaned it up, put ground cover on the ground, covered the ground where if anybody had to crawl under there, they wouldn't have to be crawling on the ground and get all dirty. I had an issue of where they had to close up the vents. They did very good, neat work. I guess I'm a person that when you hire somebody, you expect the job to get done, and they've done a good job. The only thing I can say is they're a great company. They're like family after about 4 days. In my words, even a 10's too low for Southeast Foundation, and 10's the highest you can go. So I would recommend them far beyond anybody else.